Berna, Union Station, di ba? We're stopping Union Station, and that's it, Union Station. And from Union Station, we are about 15 minutes walk away from the famous Chinatown. And it was in Union Station where we took the bus going to Las Vegas. Again, here using the train, they have 6 lines, and if you pay on a per day basis, you actually pay only $7 a day, or if you are a senior citizen, you pay $1.80. That is if you are at least 62 and above. So it's a big discount. And when you ride the train, you can also have a free ride using all the metro buses, and there are about over 200 buses around Los Angeles. So you can practically go all around Los Angeles without using a car, saving money from gasoline, from parking, and from the rent-a-car, and also the insurance of the car. So like both of us, we only spend $14, and that's the whole day. And if you want to go to another place, you can choose getting the bus, or if the bus is not available, you can just pay extra for your Uber ride, or call Tita Pat to pick you up. Yes, it's exciting to be here in Los Angeles. However, look at that train. It's an old train, one of the very few trains here in the city. That's why they're quite old. So if I'm not mistaken, to get to Union Station might take us around maybe Berna, 10 minutes walk going to Union Station. Huh? Yeah, Union Station. The Union Station to, pero to get to the main station of Union Station. Huh? Okay, so what you do here is like Berna, you tap your card like this, there, and then when it opens, you can actually get out. So you need to really take care of your card. Once you lose your card, means you have to buy another day pass. That card will be used for all of your trips. Okay. So if you're not in a rush, stay on the right side. Tama, Berna? Stay on the right side, and people in the rush, stay on the left side. Especially when it's rush hour. Ayun, oh, Metro Gold Link. Anong Metro Gold Link? Gold Line. It's another line, except that it's color gold. And then they also have going to the airport, LAX flyaway. Hey, this is a big station. Ito na. Ito na talaga. So this will lead us to...
Where do you want to go now?
Dito. I want to go here.
Yes.
Wow, look at that roof, huh? This is where I want to go. Union Station West. This is the biggest station in the whole of Los Angeles. Yan ba yung bilihan ng tickets papuntang mga buses? Ha?
Yeah, I don't know where the bilihan is.
Hindi yata dyan eh. Anyway, sige, labas na lang tayo rito. Ha? Ayun oh, yung mga lines oh. Gold line, red line, purple line, blue line, expo line.
Anyway,
Ha?
saan pa tayo pupunta?
Anywhere, basta labas tayo rito.
Lalabas, kaya nga, kailangan tayo lumabas.
Oo, oo.
Okay.
Ayun yung mga exit, tingnan mo, basahin mo oh. Ayun, mega bus. Oh, that's the mega bus going to Vegas. Restroom, yun, restroom ako. Okay.